Hi, I'm Albert.
Hi, I'm Eric.
And we are Injective Protocol, the best and most secure experience for decentralized exchange. Eric and I met in college, and we were both in crypto for a long time, and we were both banned from Coinbase for many years. And that was the initial motivation to look into decentralized exchanges. Immediately when I first started using DEXs, I saw that the user experience was very poor. And that was not only just a front-end issue, but also a liquidity issue, since the spreads on the trading pairs were much worse than what you would find on, let's say, a centralized exchange. And beyond that, as I did more research on DEXs, I found out that front-running was a really big problem. So front-running is what happens when, let's say, I submit a trade on the Ethereum blockchain to, let's say, 0x. A front-runner could see my transaction, because it's all public on the Ethereum blockchain, and submit the exact same trade with a higher gas fee, causing his trade to be mined before mine. And let's say if I'm posting a very big order, this could result in the price moving up a lot of points, causing me to lose money and have a worse trading experience.
So Injective Protocol is the first fully decentralized exchange protocol that lets anyone to share liquidity and fully prevents front-running from occurring. We do this by using verifiable delay function and then turning it into a proof of elapsed time, where we can construct a concept of decentralized timestamp, where everyone can just provide their timestamp and then verify that the order of sequence. I think the part that makes us very special is our speed of iteration. We went from basically the VDF paper release into a full-fledged white paper on our protocol in 3 months, and then going from that white paper into a full-fledged testnet in also 10 weeks. And then even during the 10 weeks of development, we went through a few different types of iterations, went through different versions. And I think in order to build the best product possible, the speed of iteration is critical to any product development phase.
So we are the only fully decentralized exchange protocol, and we're the best ones suited to build this future of decentralized exchange.